Good evening. Today is Saturday, November 4, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, November 4, 2023. Here are the SL 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for November 4, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of November 4, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.